What's up, YouTube? Just finished this thing yesterday. This little deck for the dog. Get him off the dirt, away from the ants, and he got bit by a snake right up here a while ago. So, and his head just started with all this here. All this was terrible. But yeah, just get him off the ground. $150 material, half hour worth of work. Dog house. We got post open for a later on canopy. Come see, boy. Come here. Come here. Let me see. Normally, see, I don't trust hooks. Too many kennel accidents. I normally like to do it like this. I'll tell you, show you. You see that link right here? That's how I normally like to do it. Just use the collar system. I don't trust these rings or bull snaps. I got rid of those bull snap systems a long time ago. Walked in on too many bad accidents. You know what I mean? So I use the rings. You buy these at Home Depot. I don't trust the ones at Home Depot. You can see that little groove. That's why I put 2 of them on there. Again, just through experience. Especially if you got a popper. You got a popper, he'll break these things. But you really got to go to a marine shop and go get the heavy duty ones, the ones for ships and shit like that. You know what I mean? But these ain't bad. I went to go get. Oh, look at that! Hold on. I went to go get another clamp like that, but Home Depot never had it. So we noticing this. I don't like that. Hold on. Yep, I don't trust the rings or the bull snap, so it is what it is. Come here, Floyd. He upset because he's out here. Come on. See what I like to use, the 2 collar system. Come here, boy. Get the ring through both collars just in case one happens. You know what I mean? I normally have 2 rings on there, but again, like this is perfect right here. Get away from the bull snaps. The bull snaps will break on you, that's for sure. You'll come home to a bad mess. 2 columns, rings. It just sucks when you gotta take them off. You gotta take the collars off. It's the only way to get them off. Again, they got the GoFundMe thing for Floyd. All proceeds will go to Mr. Floyd. As soon as that GoFundMe reaches 5,000, I'm gonna call a contractor for Floyd himself and see if we can get the exterior work done and close his house back up. As soon as it reaches 5,000, that'll be videoed and everything. So thank y'all. Hope you have a good Sunday.